Here are 40 common sentences you might use when visiting a historic place. 1. This place is so rich in history. 2. When was this built? 3. I've always wanted to visit this site. 4. The architecture here is stunning. 5. Can you believe how old this place is? 6. Do they offer guided tours? 7. Who used to live here? 8. The details in the carvings are incredible. 9. What was this place used for? 10. It feels like stepping back in time. 11. Are there any legends associated with this site? 12. Is it true that this place is haunted? 13. The view from here is breathtaking. 14. How well preserved this structure is. 15. Do they allow photography inside? 16. Can you imagine what life was like back then? 17. What's the most interesting fact about this place? 18. It's amazing that this has survived for centuries. 19. Did you know this place is a UNESCO World Heritage Site? 20. Are there any artifacts on display? 21. I love learning about the history of this region. 22. This is a must-visit for any history enthusiast. 23. How long does the full tour take? 24. What other historic sites are nearby? 25. The restoration work here is impressive. 26. I'd like to read more about the history behind this. 27. This place must have been very important in its time. 28. Are there any famous historical figures connected to this site? 29. Do they offer any activities for visitors? 30. Is there a museum or exhibit here? 31. I wonder what the original colors looked like. 32. It's amazing how advanced they were back then. 33. The guide stories really bring the history to life. 34. I'd love to come back here with friends. 35. The craftsmanship from that era is impressive. 36. You can almost feel the history in the air. 37. Do you know how many people visit here annually? 38. It's hard to believe this was built without modern tools. 39. Is there a gift shop where I can buy souvenirs? 40. I'd like to take a moment to soak this all in. These sentences can help make your visit to a historic place more engaging and informative.